Hi, it's been a while since I've blogged. I've been busy again, but I'm back again and I promise not to take much of your time. Earlier today, I had a vigorous debate with a colleague on the subject of whether or not there's really anything new when it comes to cyber resilient engineering. Watch this roughly 2-minute clip from the conclusion of my Certified Essence in Use for Effective Cybersecurity course and pay particular attention to the last 30 seconds. I hope this simple point is useful to you. Thanks.
First, you learned a practical and effective approach to identify the changes your team needs to make to their current way of working to ensure you are creating software that meets your customers' cybersecurity needs without adding unnecessary non-value added work. Keep in mind that in this course we assumed you have a basic way of working and we built on what is already working for you, not changing what you're doing unless it is essential to your goal. You also learned how to ensure your team is focused on the cybersecurity issues that matter most to your organization and your customers. Here we shared the simple pattern card technique that can help you keep essentials or reminders in areas that have given your team trouble in the past. You learned the different kind of thinking one needs to be using when developing cyber secure software. Here we saw examples of how the different way your team needs to think about requirements development, such as negative requirements, and how to go about deciding how much is enough given your customer's situation. Let me add here, just to be clear, whether you really need to think differently could legitimately be challenged based on how your systems and software engineers are working today. This is why I have emphasized each participant needs to reflect on their own organization. One of my reviewers of this course argued that there is nothing new here and everything I am proposing is just solid systems engineering. I don't disagree with this statement. But the question I suggest participants consider is whether or not that solid systems engineering from a cyber perspective is happening inside your own organization. Consider this fact. According to a 2021 survey, 95% of cybersecurity breaches are caused by human error. You may need some new cybersecurity features, and I talk about some of those in the referenced course, but I suggest you first take a close look at what is and isn't working inside your own organization, given your own customers and situation. And then armed with that information, you can make the most intelligent, cost-effective decision given your situation and given your customers' needs. One final point. This may sound completely obvious to you, but the fact is there are plenty of companies out there willing to sell you expensive products and consulting to solve cybersecurity issues you may not have. I suggest that by first doing this look internally and honestly looking at where you might just find that you can solve 95%, if not more, of the likely cyber breaches that you face by investing a little more in the training and coaching and improving of the practices you already have in place. Thank you. Have a great day.